Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you YouTube channel settings in YT Studio step by step. For YouTube channel settings in YT Studio, open Chrome and type here YT Studio and search. Here tap on first link. And here, if you have YouTube Studio app installed in your mobile, then it will open. So we don't have to open it. So uninstall YouTube Studio app first. Then it will come here like this. As written below, continue to Studio. So here tap on Continue to Studio. Then here tap on Settings icon in bottom corner. Here, the currency USD US dollar is already selected, so leave it like that. So here tap on Channel. Here in Basic Info select Country of Residence. Then tap on Keywords and enter here keywords related to your channel name. When audiences search for the keywords, then your channel will appear in search. So here I write keywords related my channel name as PUBG Master Gaming, PUBG Master, PUBG Gaming, PUBG, PUBG Mobile, OP Gaming, and tap on Go after each keyword. So I wrote down many keywords related to my channel. And finally I write Pro Master Gaming and tap on Go. And now tap on Advanced Settings. Here select the option related to your content. If you are making videos for children, like cartoons, and alphabet videos etc., then select here Yes. And if you are not making videos for children, then select here No. So I upload videos on my channel which are not for children. So I select here No, and tap on Feature Eligibility. Here, the first option Standard Features is already enabled. Tap on Enabled and see here, Channel is free of active community guidelines strikes. So, tap on Second Intermediate Features option. Here tap on Verify Phone Number. Then here select your country. And then type here phone number. And tap on Next. So, a message with a verification code is sent to this phone number. So I was sent a message containing a verification code. So I enter here that. And tap on Submit. And go back. See, the second option Intermediate Features has also been enabled. Now tap on third option Advanced Features. Here tap on Access Features. Here 3 options given. How do you enable Advanced Features option? Select here that option. So I select here Take a photo of your ID. And tap on Next. Here tap on Get an email instead. So the email is sent to your Gmail. So open Gmail. And here pull down once. So your latest email will load. Open first email. And scroll down. And tap on Start Verification. Here tap on Next. Then here select ID type. So I select National Identity Card. And tap on Next. Then scroll down here. And tap on I agree. Here tap on Allow. And here again tap on Allow. So here first, fit the front of the ID card completely within the frame until it is read clearly. So it is automatically uploaded. When uploaded, then fit the back of the ID card completely within the frame until it is read clearly. So when it is also uploaded. So then here tap on Submit. So it says here, thanks for submitting your ID. Google now needs to review your ID. This may take up to 24 hours. So wait for Advanced Features option to be enabled. So tap on Save. Now again tap on Settings icon in bottom corner. And tap on Upload Defaults. Here, I skip writing the video title and description in the basic info. I write these when I upload the video. So here select Visibility. I select here Unlisted. And here, I also skip adding tags. I add them when I upload the video. So, tap on Advanced Settings. Here tap on License. Here if you select the standard YouTube license, you retain the copyright to your video. and others cannot re-upload or use the video without your permission. And if you select Creative Commons, others can reuse, edit, and share your video. So here I select Standard YouTube License, and then tap on Category. Here select the category. So what kind of videos do you upload? Select that category. So I upload gaming videos on this channel. So I select Gaming, and then tap on Video Language. Here, select the language in which you create videos. So I select here Urdu, and then tap on Title and Description Language. Here, select the language in which you write title and description. So I select here English United States, and tap on Save. So friends, my third option of feature eligibility has also been enabled. So I look once again. So I tap on the settings icon. Here I tap on Channel, and then I tap on Feature Eligibility. So look here, my Advanced Features option has been enabled. So, the channel settings and customization in YT Studio have been completed. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, share with friends and subscribe to the channel. And press the bell icon to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.